Yes po. In fact, ilan ba yung athlete natin? Dalawa sa athlete natin dito from Bukidnon. So madami. Actually, Philippines would probably be able to offer world-class level competition. Baguio is the gateway kasi accessible sa city and all, and it connects to several trails across the Cordillera. So from Baguio, they can actually run all the way to Mount Pugo, and it can connect to Mount Bulag, and then sa Bukidnon naman, maraming trails yan. In fact, buhay na buhay yung trail running dyan. We recently hold two qualifying events sa Bukidnon. One is yung Point Sport sa Malaybalay. And another one upcoming dito sa Ipasugong. So doon natin na-discover both si Ivan saka si Noemi, no? So Ipasugong in Bukidnon. So if you look at the trails and terrain dyan, para din nasa Europe ka na.